Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today video I'm going to looking at built-in functions in Python programming language. What is the built-in function? Built-in function are predefined functions in Python that I can use without importing them. We have come across some of the built-in functions. For example, the print for example is a built-in function in Python that I use to display something on the screen. I don't need to import it, it's already predefined in function already. I have come across another one example. It's called the category built-in function. I can call it input. I've come across input, for example. It's a built-in function in Python. It takes input. We have the we also have the we can say the conversion types, which example is the str to convert something to a string. We have the float to convert to a decimal point, and we have the int to convert from float to integer. We also have the bool. As you can see, I'll be displayed on my screen right now. So you see the whole lot of them. They had one for mathematical operation, like the round. Have the round. What does round do? To round something, for example 2.4566. What does it do? Round it. It takes two arguments, which is number one is the round and the second one is the end digit. End digit means to how many decimal point they want to round it. If I say 2, what does it mean? So it's going to be 1 2. So 45 is going to be printed out, and when and since this guy can approximate to 5, so it's going to be 2 5, so 2.46. so that's one of another built-in function. And we have the power. We also have the iterables and sequence. Make use of the len to check the length of a maybe length of a list, or length of a string, or length of a set, length of anything you can think of. We have the sum to add things, to sum up things, maybe a list, or maybe values, to sum it up. We also have the mean okay. Also have the mass. So the whole lot of them, as you can see on my screen. We also have the reverse, to reverse things. We also have the sorted. We also have the or, the any. We have the object handling, like the type. I've come across type to check what type data type a value falls in. Also have the ID, the instance. Also have the file. For file opening, we also have the open. This for opening of a file path. We have the close, to close a file path. We also have the dir. We also have the help, the enumerate. So have the enumerate. This enumerate. We are going to make use of this in one of our future video. Also have the zip. So there are just many. There are many that I cannot cover in this video, but the key things you should know that a build. Let me put on top. It's a built-in Python function. Built-in Python function. And like the key thing you should know in about built-in function, built-in, like as the name signifies, built-in. Let me make this. Signify built-in. So they come predefined in Python, so you don't need to write it again. If you have to write this function before you can use it, to take you a whole lot of time to do that, using to the one of string, float, and all of that. So it take a whole lot of time. So Python try its best to make it easy for you, so you don't need to start from scratch to write some of these functions. So they come predefined. Once you have Python installed on your operating system or your machine, you are good to go. These guys comes with it automatically, so you don't need to import them or install them or any other special downloads or any other special way to get them. So that's just basically what built-in functions are. In our future video, we're going to talk about functions where we'll be creating our own functions rather than using some of these functions, because some of these functions have limitation. There's a situation where we want to create our own function. We're going to do that in one of our future videos. In our future video, we're going to do that. I want to create a lot of function that does a lot of things, but also with the help of this guy to perform some specific tasks or to do some specific projects. So I think we did this is a recap of what we did in this video. What is a build function? Like I said, build function are these functions that come predefined with Python programming language or any other programming language. What are their uses to make programming easy, or to also to help you in creating other functions? What are their advantages? Like I said, to make things easy, to help in making help us to create our own functions, and also to perform some mathematical operation. Like for example, this length help us to check how many words or how many digits or how many alphabet are in a string or words that are in the list. Why this sums up, what they mean to get the minimum, and this is the maximum. What they value, this whole lot of them, as you can see on my screen. So this is just basically what Python built-in functions are. So I think with this small introduction to what Python built-in function, don't worry, as we go on, I know in our video I've come across this 1 2 3 4 5 come on 5 6 6. I think I've come across, I think this guy too, 7. I'm also going to come across many, not just this 7. So if you have not watched some of my videos, please don't hesitate to watch them. I'm going to get a lot of knowledge just by watching them, because they are really educating, and they can also encourage you to do more, and it's easy to understand. I try my best to make all my tutorials easy as possible. So I think we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, so anytime I drop new videos, you'll be the first to know. So I think with this, I can tell you goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.